Conex is basically a community of engineering, design and manufacturing companies. We connect SME manufacturers, we facilitate projects, and we're basically building a community. Collaboration is at the very front of what we do, so we're trying to build a nice relationship first community essentially. Having a stand like this where all of our members can showcase their innovative products, especially on a startup zone, gives them the opportunity to get out in front of a wider audience that they don't necessarily get the chance to do on their own stands and their own exhibitions, because they tend to just end up visiting these sorts of shows. So giving them the opportunity to do this is exactly right. So within our community, we've got about 200 manufacturing companies, and I would say about 10% of those are early days startups. The rest are SMEs, right up to the several hundred employees. So we've got a very wide range, trying to give them a bit of a voice for the sector, trying to give them enough support to really kind of champion what it is they do. So today obviously is our startup zone. So we've got 8 companies on the stand behind us, all in that early 1 or 2 years old companies, and giving them the chance to really showcase some of the technology that's going on. So the importance of EDS for these sorts of companies, the fact they get that additional exposure, like they're very early stage, some of these companies, and the fact that they now have their logo at one of the biggest design shows in the UK means that they're recognised for what they do. So then when they start growing as a company, they're going to be recognised as the guys that are on this stand, and then hopefully next time they're not considered startups and they're on their own stand, and you can't see that progression for them.